Truth is God. Speak truth and be godly. Truth is God. Speak truth and be godly. Truth exists and is unique and is only one. Falsehood has to be invented, fabricated, created, right? Stories have to be created. And if truth is told, no need to remember anything else. But not with a lie. Because if you tell a lie, you have to remember what you are told, right? Otherwise, you will be in trouble. But if you speak truth, then no worries, as that is unique. Make a good beginning to speak truth from today. You know, falsity, false, spreads faster than the truth, right? Always speak the truth. Without knowing the truth, never speak or never take any conclusions. Whatever may happen, stand on one thing, that is to speak truth, and speak truth. Truth may hurt for a while, speaking truth, but lie hurts forever, right? You will have a conscience. And truth, if you say truth, then nobody likes the truth. Everybody wants a flowery, polished things. But truth is truth, right? We cannot do makeup to the truth, right? And better to get hurt by the truth than comforted by a lie. One day, truth will come out, lie will fade away. So stand on the side of truth, right? And if you are neutral, you know the truth, you won't speak out, and you don't want to lie as well, then there's the confusion. You are in a dilemma, and that is more confusing and more disturbing, right? Once for all, say truth, speak truth, anytime, anywhere. Stand on one point, make it your policy to speak truth. This is the picture of three monkeys. These convey the first one: speak no evil, listen no evil, and see no evil. Speak no lies, listen no lies, and see no lies, no falsity. Right? What you must speak out is the truth. What you must listen is the truth, good things. What you must speak out is the truth, good things. What you must listen is good things, truth. And what you must see is the reality, real things, true things, and good things. Make this three monkeys policy a way of life, and you will be good. Your life will be good for sure. Never gossip. Gossip may always be a false thing that gets circulated, and if that information what you have gathered is not useful to the others, it doesn't convey any good thing, good purpose, then stop gossiping, right? You stand unique, one among many, by speaking truth. You will shine brighter and brighter. You stand tall among many, right? This is a unique feature, unique speciality. If you can speak truth, then you are unique, you are special. Don't go with the crowd, stand unique. And you can influence the people around you. Start speaking truth. And there is no need to hide your face, no need to wear a mask. There will be only one face if you speak truth. If you are wrong, if you are false, then you have to do lot of makeups and you need to wear lot of masks to cover your original identity. If you speak truth, there's only one identity, unique identity, and no need to wear any mask, masking character. Have guts to speak truth. Start with yourself, and you're sure to influence the people around you to speak truth. Let's all have one faith. Speak truth and be godly. Speaking truth can change the world that is today. The social aberrations, the problems in our society, unwanted troubles, they are the result of the falsity, false things. If one is truthful, one is living with values, morals, and legality, there will not be any greediness, corruption in the society, and that will take us to the ideal society where everyone will be healthy and happy. When you want to speak truth, you face hurdles. Making a policy for life to speak truth may not be easy in the beginning, but it is possible. Embrace Bindu Dhyan. In Bindu Dhyan, just focus on the red dot. Eliminate everything so that it give you the focus on the current issue, current problem, and you will not be diverted. Diversions are the reason for the fakeness, falsity. So, stick to the truth, embrace Bindu Dhyan. It's only 4 minutes a day. That's all you need to do. And it can change your life. The change gets the change. The change in you. The change in you will influence the people around you. It's a chain reaction. So that way, the society gets better and better. Embrace truth, embrace Bindu Dhyan for great life. Thanks for watching.